We've mounted the AC on the Ford E450 motorhome. As you can see, we mounted up. We've made all the connections inside. I don't know if you guys can see this yellow, gray, green, and blue, and then the AC just pops in here, and this is the power. This is the the normal AC they get. It doesn't have any sensor for freezing. So if it's still not working, what you want to do is go and locate your thermostat, which in our case is in the bedroom. This one right here. Just pop it open like this, and in the back you'll find a fuse, 2 amp, which is most likely burned out, and that's the reason why the thermostat is not starting or blowing any kind of air. Once you replace this, just put the thermostat back on, just pops back in, and everything should be working fine.